Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Govind Gupta and you're watching Cruise Bro. Yes, I'm back with another vlog, and today I'm in my one of the favorite port called Roten, Honduras. I have already made like 3 vlogs already on this port, okay? And this is one of my favorite places, and there are so much things to do here, okay? And today in this vlog I'm going to cover like zip line and horseback riding, okay? If you're embarking on Icon of the Seas, as you know guys, currently I'm working with Icon of the Seas, okay? And if you're embarking on Icon of the Seas, so what are the things, what are the activities you can do like here in Roten, Honduras, okay? So I'm going to cover that one in this video. So in this video I'm going to cover like zip line. There is zip line here in Roten, Honduras, and also we have jungle top safari, you can say, or you can visit like monkey slots and all, and you can take a picture with them. So these things are here. So let's see what are the charges are there and how far it is from the port area, and how you can go by taxi or you can go by walk, okay? Everything I'm gonna explain in this video, so stay tuned and watch till the end. And let me give you a quick information about Roten, Honduras. So it is the one of the beautiful island in Central America, Honduras, and it is situated between the island of Utilia and Guanaja, and it is the second largest barrier reef in the world, and biggest barrier reef in Atlantic Ocean, okay? So these places are famous for snorkeling. Those who like to do snorkeling and all, so they can come here and enjoy their vacation time, and there is so much to do here, okay? So without any time waste, let's start this video. So guys, right now I'm here in the Jungle Top Animal Park, and you can see the gate over here. And before that we have this wash basins, okay, where you can wash your hands, sanitize your hand before getting contact with any animals. And also they have these souvenirs shops where you can buy if you like to buy any souvenirs, magnets. They have like charges like $8 to $5, okay? You can grab a quick souvenir for you. And also one more thing, like our ship time is 1 hour back, but still in Roten, Honduras there is 1 hour back too, okay? So it is different from the ship time, so please do note that one also. And in a few minutes I'm going to talk with one of the person over here, okay? What are the charges to visit this animal park and the zipline things, okay? Stay tuned.
My name is Glavin, right? Supervisor at the animal park here at Jungle Top.
All right.
The entrance fee here is $15 per person, $45 package of zip lining, including the animal park. Right, so it's 16 lines and 24 platforms, 3 suspension bridges. You have guide with you at all time. A truck that takes you up in the ridge, wonderful view with the cruise ship and half of the island. We also have local food and everything.
Alright.
Okay.
If anyone wants to do like separate, like they don't want the zip line, so it's a different charges.
If you want to do just the animal park, it's $15 per person.
$15.
Yes. If you just want to do the zip lining is $45 by itself.
Okay.
But the company allows the one that do the animal park if you do the zip lining.
Alright. Any
Yes,
discount for the crew members?
Discount for crew members is like a 10%. If you do 45, it's $35.
Alright.
If it's
And
it's 10 for animal park.
what are the animals are inside, like?
Well, here we got like it's a rescue center of
Okay.
macaws, toucans, sloths, monkeys, deers. We got a guti, which is a normal rodent. So
Okay.
so like the monkeys and sloths, small interactions with them, so we don't get them stressed. So
Alright.
yes.
And
that's
how
it.
about the pictures and all?
The picture service is optional. You can take pictures with your phone. So they do like entire album per
Okay.
person, like $15 or $20 per person.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much for your information,
Thank
sir.
you.
Nice to talk to you.
Thank you.
So guys, as you can see behind me, people are enjoying zip line activity, and it seems to be like so much fun. And there are 16 different cables, okay, where you can enjoy zip line. You can come all the way from up to down through the zip lines, each and every zip line. And if you ask me honestly, I would not recommend you to do this zip line right now, because you know why? The climate is very dry right now. Okay, I can see the plants and trees, everything is dry right now, so it's not going to be that much fun if you do it now. And also it is very hot over here. Okay, so please if you come to do these activities, please carry enough water and apply sunscreen. And also one more thing, they are not providing you the gloves to hold the cables. So it would be better if you bring your own gloves, okay, safety gloves for a safety reason, okay, in case if you haven't bring it, so you may get injured during the zip line thing. Okay, again it's up to you. For me, I don't think so. $45 is worth doing this one. Okay, so I'm not going to try. Anyway, there is a discount for the crew members, but I don't find this zip line that much fun. Okay, it is good for the youngster, but for me, I would not suggest this thing for the old age women or men who are doing it. Okay, so again it's up to you. If you really want to do it, you can do it for a fun. Wow, I thought that is like some car is they're doing making this sound, but I didn't notice it's from the wow, this is from the shell. What kind of shell is this?
Conch shell.
Conch shell. I mean,
Bottom of the ocean. Good marisco.
oh yeah, and from where you got these shells?
You dive it in the bottom of the ocean. Go down, be nice and go down.
You dive.
Bring it up. Now I dive it.
Okay.
Go the conch, eat the conch, then I cut the shell off and
Ah.
I blow it in the trumpet. Right up to sea.
All right, all right. That's cool. I can see these are very big, yeah, big in size. So guys, you can see he's making this sound, and sound is very, very big sound. But I don't know whether I can able to make it or no. Is there any trick to make this sound?
Yes, you good.
Yeah, everyone can. Okay. And what
Put
is what?
your finger over the hood, put your mouth, blow it like a trumpet.
Ah, like a trumpet.
Yeah. You blow
Okay.
trumpet, you blow sax, anything. You can blow trumpet.
Blow. Ah, you just need to blow and put your finger here.
Right there.
Ah, okay.
And you
All right, all right. And how much is this?
Well, we sell them for 20 and 25.
20 to 25. Okay, okay. Dory. All right. So guys, I'm here in the zipline desk, and madam is there, and she's going to explain like what are the charges are there, okay, and timings and all, how you gonna come here, and if there is any other things to carry. Okay, so let's start. So like, what are my first question will be like, what are the charges for the zip line?
So the zip line itself has 16 different lines, 24
Okay.
platforms, and 3 suspension bridges.
All
There's
right.
a short drive to the very top of the hill. You start as a bearing and right here along with our guides. It also
Okay.
includes a visit to see the animals. We charge $45 per person. If
All
you
right.
cash, 38 with card. And if you just want to visit the animals, it's $15 per person.
All right. And US dollar is accepted here.
US, that's
And-
all US.
All right. And what about the cards and all? What kind of card you accept here?
Visa or MasterCard.
Mastercard.
Visa or MasterCard.
Visa, Mastercard. Okay, okay. And how much time it takes to do all the 16?
About an hour, 45 minutes to an hour.
Okay.
And then you can spend another 20 minutes at the park. So just say an hour and a half. You can do both activities there.
Okay. If anyone like to do like separate thing, like only the zip line, it is possible to do like.
Well, the park is free for those who zip line. So
Ah, it's
optional.
free.
Mhm.
Ah,
But
okay.
if you just want to do the park, then it's 15.
15. All right, all right.
Unless you pay the card,
And
then it's 16.13.
and any other locker facilities or something to keep their things, stuffs and all while.
We do have lockers. Sometimes we run out, but in those cases, we stay responsible for the items left behind.
Okay.
But most of the time, the lockers are available.
Is it like extra charges or it's included?
It's all free.
All right.
The lockers
Anything
is
they have to carry while coming here?
We do not recommend you taking large bags.
Okay.
You can carry like a small back, something light, small backpack,
Small
or
backpack.
a fanny pack.
All right.
You can take your phone with you for photos at your risk, but
Okay.
you can do it.
All right.
that you can do videos. It is that comfortable. You can do videos while using it.
All right. And what is the best season you will recommend to do zipline? Best season, I mean, when it's all green and everything.
Well, because of the rainforest here, we can have greenery, all year round. But now this time of the year is really hot.
Very hard, yeah. Very dry.
So if you're, coming in October, November, December, those are good months.
Best
because
months.
the weather is, even though it's the rainy season, but
Okay.
it's better.
All right. All right.
So we recommend you, if you don't mind the heat, you can come all year round.
All right. All right. All right. Is there any restaurant food or something to eat after the zip line?
Definitely, we have two seating areas.
Okay.
Here at the bottom, at the top, we have nice clean restrooms if you need to
All
use
right.
them as well.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much for your information, madam. Okay. I hope people will, after watching this video, they will come and meet you. Okay. And thank you so much once again.
Send them all by.
Yeah. All right. I will grab one of your card. Okay, guys. Guys, here you can see this is the place where you will, they will give you the harness and all, safety harness and other accessories which is required to do zip line, and then you will be guided to this van, okay, behind me. So this is the small van which has a chair, and it will take you all the way up to the mountain, and from there you will start your zip line things, like 16 zip lines are there, okay, cable lines, and finally when you come all the way down, so this is the last part when you come, and from there you can come down, and again from where you started you're gonna finish here only. Guys, after the zip line, if you're tired, okay, if you're hungry, so they have this some restaurants out here, okay, one at the top and one in the bottom where you finish. So this is called Paradise Hotel or Paradise Restaurant. So they have this small bar section over here where you can grab your drinks, all the soft drinks, beers, wines, everything is available here. And also they have ice creams, different prices, okay, different flavors, which cost like $5. Then they have a nice lobster, boiled or fried, okay. They have different prices. They have chicken, they have oxtail, they have shrimps and other food also, okay, local food. They have ceviche, which is the famous, salad. So these are the delicious food you will get here at the zipline area. Guys, you can see I have bought this one, like a souvenir bird, okay. And what's your name, buddy? Ryan. He said his mom made this one, okay, handmade this thing, and he's selling it here in the zipline area, and I'm gonna buy this one from him, okay. Guys, you go to school? Yeah. What time you go to school? 12 o'clock.
You go to 7, you come on here.
Then after that you do inside. So, did you get time to study? What, in the night you study? Until what time you sell this one? No, until what time you're here selling this one?
And it's 12.
But it's already one.
Yeah, so you come in here, they're selling for 12.
2 o'clock. Okay. You had your food?
Yeah, no, food,
When you gonna have it?
nothing.
Nothing. After you sell, you get money, then you eat.
Every morning.
Okay. Alright, guys. So, guys, if you do zipline, if you visit here, okay, please buy some of this. These are very beautiful, and souvenir you can see. Okay, you can take with you along. You can hang in your doors. Okay. Alright, guys, it's time for me to go back to the ship now, okay, and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and found this vlog informative. If you have any question, any doubt, please ask me, comment me, okay. Follow me on Instagram, Cruise Bro. You can text me there also, I will try to reply. And in case if I haven't mentioned the timing of zipline, it is like, it starts from the morning, early morning, 7 to 6 and until the 5 p.m. in the evening, okay. So come here, enjoy your zipline and enjoy your vacation, cruise vacation, and see you in next vlog. Till then, take care, goodbye. Your Cruise Bro Govin. Bye bye.